Hey everybody, I got a new Ipsy product and I thought I'd unbox it with you. So here we go. Here it is. Oh, cute. Okay, first thing it says, Lover, East Side. Felt tip liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. That'll be fun. Okay. Next thing is, be good if I could see better. Need more light. Just open it. It says tint. I think it's lipstick. It's lip oil. That's what it is. Very cool. Okay. Next thing is an eye cream. Aqua Aura eye cream. I love getting these Ipsy boxes. Ooh. It's like a green. Let me just try to put it right here on your hand and see. It feels nice. That'd be good. Okay, so that's 3. There's 4. Dew of the Gods. Let's see what this is. I'll open it. It's got a plastic wrapping. I'll have to fast forward through some of this. Also, you haven't seen me in a while, so I'm going to try to do some more videos this summer. I've been teaching, and hi, if you're my students watching, miss you already. So I'm going to be getting some different makeup products and doing some demonstrations and stuff. Okay. Let's see what this is. Water, gel, moisturizer. Yay. It says. Some moisturizer. Let's see what the last thing is in here. And it always comes with a card that explains to you what's in it. It'll tell you what the products are, so that's really cool. And you get the little bag, and that's always fun because you get like a different bag every month, and it's like $15 a month subscription, and you get 5 different trial size products. And this is the last thing, and it is it says Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. Okay, my next thing is something I've been wanting to order for a long time, and it's called Milkshake, and it's by Beeker 1802. And the reason it's called Milkshake is because you can see how it's separated to the yellow from the clear. You shake it up and it becomes all mixed up. And what it is a hyaluronic acid and probiotic extract and goat's milk, and it's supposed to be really good for your face. And you can use it for a primer for your face. There's this girl online, her name is Tammy, and she uses it, and she's so cute, y'all. You have to watch her. I'll tag her in this. And she's the one that I got this idea from, getting the Beekman. And she uses it before she puts her makeup on and after for a setting spray. Anyway, I'm gonna try it. Wow. So that's the Beekman 1802 milkshake. You do have to shake it up. That feels really good on my face. So this video was the Beekman 1802. I got that separate. And then I got from the Ipsy bag that I got. And I've got a couple other things that are coming in the mail in a couple of days, and I'll show you those too. So it's been good seeing you guys again, and it's been a while, and I'll try to do some more videos in the next few days. Take care.